You have a leaking construction joint, the foundation wall, the base slab and the developer's screed put on the top. It's best when the screed doesn't exist at all, but often it does, 8, 12 or even 25 centimeters, because someone poured several layers. Now the question is, should you remove the screed or not? It depends on a few factors observed during the test injection. I explained this in detail in the book Cracking the Injection Code, available in Polish, English and Portuguese. If the screed remains, you drill either in the wall or in the screed depending on the thickness. The key is to know where to drill, at what angle and how deep. For repeatable drilling, use a collimator mounted on the drill. That way every hole is made at the same angle and distance. Repeatability means continuous injection and constant seal. Now let's use the ResinBau calculator. You enter 3 parameters: wall thickness, screed thickness and drilling position. For example, 50% of the wall thickness. Example, wall 25 cm, screed 25 cm, drilling through the middle of the wall. In this case, we don't drill in the wall, we drill in the screed. We move 2 cm away from the wall at 60 degrees angle and drill 29 cm deep. Add 2 or 3 cm to make sure you cut through the joint. The calculator also shows how deep to install the injection packer, in this case 11 cm, using a 15 cm packers. The rubber slab must be anchored in the wall, not in the screed. Only then will the injection be properly compressed and effective, simple, fast and repeatable. The ResinBau calculator does all the math for you. And this is my coffee.